You can't even see me breathe. 'Cause all that is me to be on you.
What's up? It's your girl Katie, aka Action Jackson, back with another spooky video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to achieve this look right here, which is like a split face tutorial. It looks so cool in person. Like, I don't know if it's really like giving on camera how it is in person, but it looks like fucking dope in person. This look is heavily inspired by Carolina Maria. She's a super amazing special effects makeup artist on YouTube. I've been watching her for forever, and I've always wanted to try this look, so I figured I would give it a go this year. And like I said, I think it turned out amazing. Like, this was super easy to do. It really didn't take that much time, and this could be used as like a really good costume for anybody. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Make sure to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button, because why not? Without further ado, let's get on into the video. So I'm starting off by outlining the area that I want the split to be. I'm using some concealer on a brush because I didn't have a light colored eye pencil, but you can use like a white eyeliner or anything like that. I'm gonna be putting some glue on top of the outline. I don't have any liquid latex or any spirit gum at the moment, so I am again using my eyelash glue that I used in the last video. Y'all, I know it's ghetto, but you gotta work with what you got. So just adding some glue down that line and all the way down onto my nose. I'm going to be using my Micoli nose and scar wax. This is what I used in my last video. I love this product. Super nice to work with. You're also going to want to make sure you have some oil. I'm just going to use some coconut oil because the wax will stick to your fingers. So the oil just helps to get everything smoothed out and to help it not stick to anything. So you're going to fold these into like some long tube shaped little, I don't know, they kind of look like little Vienna sausages, but just make some of these. I made 4, but I only really used like 2.5, and you're just gonna go ahead and start mashing it onto your face, blending it in. You want to make sure that the edges are flush to the skin, so it's really blending in and it looks like it's your skin. As you can see, I'm like pushing it down, but at the same time using both my hands to squeeze it and form it to the face. You can keep adding coconut oil to help it smooth out and get it like really flush to the skin. You're going to do the same thing on the other side as well, and you're going to go down your forehead and also down to your nose. So I'm going to use this little nail tool that I got from Walgreens, and I'm going to go ahead and start making the slit. Slide it down your nose, like right in the middle. And then I'm going to use the flat side to start to peel up the edges of the wax and make it seem like my skin basically got like ripped open. So as y'all can see, I'm still using that 2-finger motion to kind of squeeze it in between my fingers and make it stick out. You want it to be peeled up a little bit, but you don't want it all the way lifted. So make sure as you're peeling it back, you're pressing it down so it doesn't come, you know, unstuck from your skin, if that makes sense. You can also use like a pinching motion with 2 fingers and just pinch it upwards. You're going to do that all the way down to the base of the nose as well. So I took a Q-tip with some alcohol on it and just cleaned on the inside because my paint is water-based and I didn't want the coconut oil to mess up the paint sticking. So I am taking my You Can Be Planetarium Pro palette. I think that's what it's called. And I'm using the black color all within the inside. Black is a good thing to use when you want something to look like a deep cut. So I'm putting black all the way on the inside, down to like the middle of the nose. Then I'm just going to use red going down the rest of the nose.
I saw the boogeyman. I saw him outside.
Oh, I'm so embarrassed. I couldn't even face it.
Hurry up there.
Hold on.
Now I'm taking a eyeshadow brush with a little bit of the red. I mixed some red and some purple, and I'm just going to dab around the edges of the scar just to make it look a little bit bruised. Taking this Bobbi Suka sticky blood, it's kind of like a scar blood, like the gel type. I'm just going to add that inside of the entire hole. This is the fun part, y'all. So just kind of go crazy. I did it a little bit messy, trying to like flick the blood onto the edges of the scar. So it doesn't have to be perfect. The point of this is to be kind of gory and nasty, so you don't have to do everything perfect. And then I'm also putting some blood in my hair, y'all. I sacrificed my lace for this, but it makes the effect look a lot cooler to think that it started at the top of your head. And you're pretty much done. I'm just going through with some finishing touches, adding some blood pretty much on random spots throughout my face so it can look like the blood splattered. I'm just using a sponge that I ripped in half, and I'm just dabbing blood pretty much everywhere throughout my face. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see this Halloween, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.